Hey guys, welcome back. So in our last lecture, we have covered HashSet, and in this lecture, we're going to see linked HashSet. So linked HashSet extends the HashSet class and implements the set interface. It maintains a linked list of the entries in a set in the order in which they were inserted. So this means it has the combination benefits of HashSet, which is like unique elements and no duplicates, with predictable iteration order based on insertion order, right? As I said, like unlike a regular HashSet, which does not guarantee any specific order, linked HashSet maintain the insertion order. It does not allow duplicate elements. I already also explained that part too. It's similar like set implementation. It can store a null value as an element. If it's used a multi-thread environment, it should be externally synchronized. It means like it's not synchronized, okay? So let's see an example. So here is a class I created, linked HashSet demo. And here I create an object, create an object of linked HashSet. And this is the object reference. And similar, like if you're familiar with HashSet, there's the same way we can add elements to this set using an add method. Like here I'm adding different type of fruits like apple, banana, orange, mango. And also there is a duplicate elements I entered, like HashSet it shouldn't allow, so it should be ignored, right? So if I want to print this set, this is the set I'm going to print. Let's see, let's print it. Here we can see the apple, banana, orange, mango, and this banana, the duplicate elements got ignored, and also it follows the insertion order, you can see, okay, like linked order, right? And let's say that if I want to remove an element, so let's remove an element, remove an element. That time, we can use set dot remove method, right? Remove method, and what do you want to remove? So let's give it the name of the remove method, say orange I want to remove, okay? So pass that element over here, and this now you can print it again. The set, let's print it, run it. Here you can see after removing, the orange is gone, and then now it's apple, banana, mango, right? Now after that, if you want to check an element whether it exists or not, so example, out of over here, we can check mango. So mango we can see is exist element in this set. So how we can check it? So we can say, checking an existing element either whether it exists or not. So that's what we're going to do now, checking if an element exists. To do this, we can use a contains method. The linked HashSet as a method is called contains method. That contains method, and then you can pass whatever element you are looking for to check. So it's like mango, as I said. And if you hover to the contains method, you can say it's return the boolean. Okay, it's return the boolean. So it means if it exists, it will tell you true. If it's not, it will return as a false. So puts in a variable, contains say mango, that's a variable, and return type should be boolean, right? And then we can just print a simple statement. We can say, does the set contain mango, okay? And then you can add a concatenation, and then puts this variable. So we are expecting is true, so it will return true since mango is a existing element in this set. So it should return a true, right? So let me run it and see. Here you can see, does the set contain mango? Yes, true. Now if I want to retrieve all the element from the the final set, like from this one, like apple, banana, mango, how can we do this? Same, we can use for each loop. So in that case, set and declare a variable like fruits, and then the type would be string, right? Same as our set variable, right? Yes, it's string, and then let's print those element and then pass the fruits over here, right? So then run it. Here we go. You can see apple, banana, mango. So that's the use case, different use case of the linked hash set. That's it does not allow to duplicate elements, which is comes from the hash set, but also it follows the insertion order, like apple, banana, the way it's insert, right? And to check if there are any elements, whether it exists or not, we can use the contains method, right? That's it. Thank you.